What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford Lightning F150 remote key fob. This Ford Lightning key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now we're going to use the emergency key to pry up on the back cover of the key fob. So you want to hold your fob with the buttons facing down, and then if we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is just put my emergency key in the notch like that, and then kind of angle the key up and push up on the back cover. Then once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver. You can also use something just with like a point on it or anything that's going to fit in this little notch right here. So I'll get my screwdriver in the notch, get under that battery, and pop it out of the holder. We'll grab the new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up. And if you look at the shape of this battery holder, it's kind of round, and then this side right here is flat. So I'm going to start that flat edge in first, kind of tuck that edge in like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can put our back cover on. So on the top of this back cover, you see that little tab right there. What you want to do is kind of hold it like this and slide that tab into place and then snap the cover down. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.